What is happening, folks? So the last video I showed you was the little dime tour of my RV, and one thing I noticed was when I was showing you the back, you couldn't see my license plate and my turn signals very well. So what I did was I went ahead and moved them up. I took out the original ones and I rewired them, put some wire through the aluminum, and then I did a little Bondo work, on that side, a little foam and Bondo. The paint's still a little wet, that's why you can kind of see it glossy there, but it's the same color as the RV. And now no matter where you're at, you can always see both turn signals and you can see the license plate, so that should keep me legal. But that was my little project for the day, and another day in Rich's life. Thanks for watching. See you next time.